My name is Timir, and today we have a special unboxing video. In front of us, we have the iPhone 15 Pro Max in natural titanium color. On the left side, we can see the iPhone text. At the back, we can see the model name again. Below, in a very small text, we can see the color and the storage size. On the right side, the same iPhone text. At the top and at the bottom is the Apple logo. I like how each of the four sides also reflect the color of the phone. Now let's flip this box and start opening the pull tabs, starting from the top. And the last one at the bottom. Here's our first look of the natural titanium colorway. I hope this video does justice to the actual color. It is a really good looking color in person. Let's lift the phone up and put it on the side for now. Finally, here's the USB-C to USB-C white braided charging cable. Next is the small paperwork, which still has the Apple logo sticker. Let's remove the rest of the box and go back to the phone. Again, a really nice looking color here. Also on the left side, we can see the new action button together with the volume buttons. On the right side is the power button, and finally a USB-C port at the bottom. Nothing to see on top, but let's go ahead and remove the front cover. One more look at the back. Man, this is so good, the color. So let's boot up the device. And hold on. Are you hearing this? So apparently this noise is coming from the Face ID sensor being registered on my camera. I didn't know until I was editing this video. As always, thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to be among the first to see what's next. And I'll see you on the next one.